Yo, hey guys, Kim Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product. And before I get into it, I just got this Jeep. It's a 2024. Just bought it right at Christmas time frame. And one of the most important things you want to do with a brand new vehicle is you want to protect its paint. Now, there's an issue. Most cars' hinges are usually hidden internally inside the vehicle as I look around and see other cars. Very few cars have their hinges exposed. The other bad thing about that is also that when you have really big tires, these are pretty good size. These are 35-inch tires on here. Front and rear, they do stick out just a little bit. And most importantly, you can see there's a lot of dirt and debris down here. This hinge is going to get hit the most from the front tire flinging dirt and debris into these hinges. A bit into here too as well, but mostly you'll see this one a lot. And then of course your front two right here. So there's a possibility from underneath here hitting this, but you're going to get hit all across these hinges. And that's why one of the first things I ordered when I first got my Jeep was rock stoppers. Now I ordered this and I finally got it here a few days ago, and I've got to go ahead and put those on. I happen to have extra alcohol wipes. So I'm going to see what comes inside the kit, but because this is dirty, I'm going to clean these off. So inside the kit, you'll see, yeah, oh cool. You get rock stoppers, you get a sticker, and then like they said, you get enough for 5 hinges. 5 sets of doors. I think the reason why there's 5 sets is just in case you make a mistake. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put these guys on. Now the other cool thing is, you can check out their video on how to install it. Try not to touch it. Just about that ridge right there. Let me show you what I'm doing. That's that taller piece there. And then what I'm doing is I'm working my way around, trying to make sure that it's adhering as we go around. Nice. Now let's continue with the lower portion of that hinge. Probably gonna do the same thing with the other hinge. Moving on to the next guy. So I guess we're just going to start over here on this side, doing the same thing. Oh, I see. And then goes all the way in. That doesn't look half bad at all. Now we're just gonna repeat the process. Trying to make sure there's no air bubbles in this. All the way around to the outside. That looks pretty darn good. Nice. And these guys are super thick. And it is so easy to put on. So easy to put on. You just got to make sure you cover all the paint section. And that is so good. These are really doing it. Nice. These are just so simple to do. And they go on so easy. Look how good those look.